Cordyceps are one of the stranger species of fungi around, as they are all endoparasitoids, meaning that the parasite spends the majority of its lifetime attached to or living within its host organism. Arthropods and insects are the main target for this fungi, and the whole process begins when a single spore lands on the insect, penetrating the soft tissue through the tiny holes of its body known as spiracles. Once inside, the spore germinates, forming a mycelium, a network of vegetative mass that consists of thousands of branches known as hyphae. These thread-like hyphae slowly explore and invade any available space within the insect's tissue. While this is all happening, the fungi is slowly breaking down and consuming the insect for nutrients. At this point, the insect is slowly getting digested from the inside out. The only tissues that are left intact are the vital components to keep the insect alive for a couple more hours, as during this time, the fungi will start to alter the behavioral patterns of the host to benefit its own needs. Cordyceps unilateralis is the best studied parasitic fungi. It infects ants of the Camponotini tribe. Once the fungi infects the host and has reached the point just before the release of its spores, it guides the infected ant away from the safety of the nest to find an area off the ground that has suitable temperature and humidity for optimal fungi growth. Once it's found the suitable conditions, the fungi forces them to climb under a leaf and bite down. This is known as the death grip. From now on, the host remains there for between 4 to 10 days until it starves and dies. During this period, the fruiting bodies of the fungi will erupt through the ant's head while releasing the fungi spores. These microscopic spores drift softly in the wind, allowing them to travel in all directions and coating any surface they come in contact with. There they wait, remaining dormant for months. That is, until an unfortunate victim walks over them, picking up one of the deadly spores, resulting in the whole cycle starting again. This process can be devastating for the ants, as towards the end stage of infection, the host never travels far away from the nest, so those millions of spores are directly in the vicinity of the colony the ant had been protecting and providing for its entire life. This often leads to the fungus infecting and decimating the whole colony. In response to this, the ants have evolved the ability to actually sense that a member of the colony is infected, as the healthy ants carry the infected individual away from the colony in order to avoid fungal spore exposure for the rest of the colony. Thanks for watching our newest video. If you're interested in other similar videos, make sure to look at our video about space blindness or our future predictions for 2018. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.